Welcome to Mastering Your Finances, 10 Simple Steps to Achieve Total Financial Freedom. In this video, we will guide you through a proven roadmap to help you take control of your finances and live a life of financial independence. Are you ready to transform your financial future? Let's get started. Step 1. Establish your goals. Before embarking on your financial journey, clearly define what you want to achieve. Set both short-term and long-term goals and make them specific and realistic. Your goals will be your compass throughout this process. At the end of our video, stay tuned for the secret 11th step. Now on to step 2, create a budget. In the first Valley of Financia, you learn the art of budgeting. It's like having a map for your money. Track your income and expenses and plan how to spend each coin wisely. This ensures you don't wander aimlessly in the forests of overspending. This is the foundation of financial success. Track your income and expenses to see where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back and allocate more to savings and investments. A budget will ensure you're living within your means. Creating a budget involves listing all your income sources and expenses. This helps you understand where your money goes and where you can cut back. Imagine you earn $3,000 monthly. After tracking your expenses, you find you spend $500 on dining out. By budgeting, you decide to reduce this to $300, saving $200 for other goals. Step 3, build an emergency fund. Life is full of unexpected surprises. Saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses will provide you with a safety net in case of emergencies or unexpected job loss. It's essential to have peace of mind knowing you can handle life's curveballs. Set aside funds for emergencies in the Emergency Fund Enclave. This is your fortress, protecting you from financial surprises like sudden job loss or health issues. An emergency fund covers unexpected expenses. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. If your monthly expenses are $2,000, aim to save $6,000 to $12,000 in an accessible savings account for emergencies. Step 4, pay off high-interest debt. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit cards and personal loans. Allocate extra funds towards these debts to eliminate them faster and save money on interest. Your journey takes you to the intimidating Debt Dragon Cave. Conquering this dragon means paying off your debts, starting with high-interest ones. It's a challenging battle but crucial for your quest towards financial freedom. Tackle debts, especially those with high interest, to avoid paying more over time. Start with the highest interest rate debts first. You have a credit card debt at 23% interest and a student loan at 7%. Focus on paying off the credit card debt first to reduce overall interest costs. Step 5, save for retirement. Start saving for retirement as early as possible. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans and contribute regularly. If available, contribute to a Roth IRA for tax advantages. The power of compounding will work wonders for your future. Plan for your old age in the retirement realm. Start contributing to a retirement fund early. It's like storing provisions for a long journey, ensuring you have enough when the time comes to rest from your adventures. Contributing to a retirement fund, like a 401k or IRA, is crucial for future financial security. You contribute 5% of your salary to a 401k, and your employer matches 50% of your contributions, effectively increasing your retirement savings. Please like and subscribe if you like content like this. Step 6, invest wisely. Grow your wealth by investing wisely. Diversify your investments and focus on long-term strategies. Educate yourself on various investment options such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Remember, patience and discipline are key. Sail to Investment Island where you grow your wealth. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's like planting different seeds in your garden. Some grow fast, others provide long-term yield. Investing can grow your wealth. Diversify to balance the risk. You invest in a mix of stocks and bonds. Stocks offer potential for higher returns, but with more risk, while bonds are generally safer, but with lower returns. Step 7, maximize your income potential and continue learning. Increase your earning potential by investing in yourself. Take courses, attend workshops, and acquire new skills that will enhance your career or open the doors to new opportunities. Increasing your income will accelerate your path to financial freedom. In the Continuous Learning Library, educate yourself about finances. Read books, attend workshops, and stay informed. Knowledge is like a torch that lights up dark paths in your journey. Financial education is an ongoing process. Stay informed about financial products and strategies. You read a book about investing and decide to diversify your portfolio or attend a workshop on tax planning to optimize your tax situation. Step 8. Protect yourself with insurance. Safeguard your financial well-being by having adequate insurance coverage. Health, life, disability, and home insurance protect you and your loved ones against unexpected events and provide invaluable peace of mind. At the Insurance Inn, you safeguard your journey. Get health, life, and property insurance. It's like having armor and shields to protect you and your family from unforeseen financial blows. Insurance protects against financial disasters. Health, life, and property insurance are key. By having health insurance, a $20,000 medical bill might only cost you a $1,000 deductible, significantly reducing your financial burden. Step 9. Plan for the future. Estate planning is crucial to ensure your assets are distributed as per your wishes. Create a will, establish a healthcare proxy, and consider setting up a trust. Taking these steps now will save your family from unnecessary stress later on. Step 10. Stay committed and review regularly. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed to your goals, regularly review your progress, and make adjustments whenever necessary. Remember, financial freedom is attainable for everyone. With determination and discipline, you can achieve it too. Finally, the secret 11th step: reach the philanthropy peak. Share your wealth through charity. It not only helps others, but enriches your journey, bringing a sense of fulfillment and joy. Engaging in regular philanthropic activities can encourage better financial planning and discipline. Philanthropy often brings you into contact with a network of like-minded individuals, including successful and influential people. These connections can lead to opportunities for personal and professional growth. For instance, attending charity events can lead to networking that results in new business ventures, partnerships, or career opportunities. Philanthropy can bring a deep sense of personal fulfillment and happiness, which can be incredibly motivating. This fulfillment often translates into a more positive outlook on life, including how you manage your personal finances. A content and motivated individual is typically more productive and successful in their financial endeavors. While philanthropy is inherently about giving and not receiving, its role in your overall financial and wealth journey can be substantial. It can bring tax benefits, encourage financial discipline, open up networking opportunities, enhance reputation, provide personal fulfillment, foster learning, create a lasting legacy, and promote emotional well-being. All these factors can indirectly contribute to a more successful and enriching financial life. We at Motivate Wealth consider this step our most important of all, and thus, equipped with these 10 steps, you navigate through the land of financia towards the ultimate treasure of financial freedom. Along this path, you learn that discipline, planning, and continuous learning are your best companions. Remember, this quest is unique for everyone, and your path might twist and turn differently than others. But stay true to these steps and you'll find yourself in the prosperous land of financial stability and freedom. Thank you for watching Mastering Your Finances: 10 Simple Steps to Achieve Total Financial Freedom. We hope this video has provided you with the knowledge and inspiration to take control of your financial future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. See you next time.